Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Prince Albert local and long-distance movers near me. When you need a cheap Prince Albert moving company, you need 3 Movers. We offer inexpensive and trustworthy moving services you can use for local or long-distance moves. Our team of movers know how to help you relocate across the country or just down the road. Whether you need to move a business or a home, we can help. We provide all the right long-distance moving services for your needs, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Our team of expert long-distance movers will give you all the help you need. When it's time to relocate 100 miles away or further, we have the right services for you. Let us make sure you get to your new location faster. Is it time to hire a Canada moving company for your local move? With the right local movers, you'll be able to move forward with your plans. Getting the right local movers will eliminate all the hard work you will have to do. 3 Movers knows how to make sure you get the best out of your local move. We can save you a ton of time and energy on your move. Our team can take a 5-day move and turn it into a 1-afternoon move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Prince Albert moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.